Independence Day sale or Freedom sale will start midnight for the Plus members on Flipkart and for the Prime members on Amazon.in. If you want to buy any tablet, you must purchase that just at the beginning of the sale to get the best discount on tablets. But before that, you must know the best price of each and every tablet so that you don't get fooled by the sellers on Flipkart and Amazon.in. If you are planning to buy Realme Pad 2, in that case the best price for Realme Pad 2 is around 13,000 for the 128GB of internal storage. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Redmi Pad 2, in that case the best price for the 128GB is around 12,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price is 14,000 rupees. Amazon is teasing Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus at a higher price tag. So if you get this A9 Plus at around 12.3k only, you can buy, otherwise you should skip this tablet. If you want a very good tablet under 15,000 rupees, in that case you can consider Oneplus Pad Go. The best price for Oneplus Pad Go 128GB is around 13.4k, and don't buy above this price point. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Xiaomi Pad 6, though it is a very old tablet, yet the hardware of this tablet is good enough, and you can spend around 16.5k for the 128GB internal storage. If you want to buy Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant, in that case the best price for this tablet is 16.5k for the Wi-Fi variant and 19k for the 5G variant. If you are planning to buy Poco Pad 5G, in that case for the 128GB the maximum amount that you should pay is 17,000 rupees. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is a very good tablet, but I don't think you will get great discounts in this Freedom sale. So the best price for this tablet is 19k or 20k maximum, otherwise you should skip this tablet if you get this at a higher price tag. If you want to buy iPad 10th generation 64GB Wi-Fi variant, in that case the maximum amount that you can spend on iPad 10th generation is 23,000 rupees. If you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus Wi-Fi variant, in that case the best price is 24,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the cellular version, in that case the best price would be 27 to 28,000 maximum. Oneplus Pad is a very good tablet. If you get the 256GB variant at 22,000 rupees, you can buy, otherwise you should skip that tablet. Many people are asking me about the best price of Xiaomi Pad 7. If you want to buy the 128GB variant, in that case the best price is 22.5k, and if you are planning to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price is 25 to 26,000 rupees maximum. If you are planning to buy Moto Pad 60 Pro, in that case the best price is 22,000 rupees for the Freedom sale, and if you can wait till Big Billion Day sale, in that case you can buy Pad 60 Pro at around 20,000 rupees for the 128GB internal storage. Next, if you want to buy iPad 11th generation 128GB variant, in that case the best price is 27,000 rupees. However, I don't think you will get this pricing, so you should wait till Big Billion Days sale to get the best discounts on iPad 11th generation. The next tablet is Oneplus Pad 2. The best price for the 128GB is under 30,000 rupees. But if you get the Stylo 2.0 along with this package, in that case for the 128GB internal storage you can spend up to 32,000 rupees and 34,000 rupees for the 256GB variant with Stylo 2.0. Many people are asking me about the best price of iPad Air M1. If you want to buy the 128GB of internal storage, in that case you can spend around 40 to 42,000 rupees. So these are the pricing of some of the tablets, and you should consider these pricings before making any purchase. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.